Welcome students once again to your first chapter geography, resource and development. Our next topic is classification of the soils. In this chapter we will study about the different type of soils found in India. Different type of soils found in India, like you may see different symbols on this map. First one given in the inbox, that is index. First one is forest and mountainous soil on the areas of Jammu Kashmir and some areas of Arunachal Pradesh also. Then second type of soil is alluvial soil, that is found Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar. This second belt, mean to say vertical lines, and this dark brown color shows about the black soil that is found in Madhya Pradesh, some area of Maharashtra, some area of Gujarat also. And then there is a laterite soil that is found on the coastal areas and Meghalaya and some areas of that eastern states. Then there is a desert soil having square dots. That type of soil is found in Rajasthan and some area of southern India. And in this way there are different type of soil. And last one is cross check type design is there, that is red and yellow soil, that is also found somewhere near the West Bengal, some area of this Kerala and Karnataka, some areas of this Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. And major type of this red and yellow soil is in the areas of lower part of Meghalaya also. In this way we find different type of 5 to 6 type of soils in India. This is the map. You have to identify the soils of India on this map. When we talk about the classification of the soils, very first is alluvial soil. This is the most widespread soil in the India, which has been deposited by the flow of the water of the rivers. Major rivers of India are Himalayan river, Indus river and Ganga Brahmaputra. About 45.6% of these areas covered by this alluvial soil. This is the soil that is the most fertile, having high fertility quality in it. And some more feature are there. Based upon its age, this soil can be classified further into two categories, that is Bhangar and Khaddar. Bhangar mean to say old alluvial soil and Khaddar mean to say new alluvial soil. This soil is found nearby the areas of river. Some areas of important areas, Dors, Chos and Terai are there where this soil is found. Another type of soil is red and yellow soil. This soil is found in almost approximately 10.6% area of India's. It is its color is red. It is red in color. Some particles due to diffusion of the rocks are there. It is formed with the process of weathering of the rocks, metamorphic rocks, low rainfall area, Deccan Plateau, eastern southern parts, and it turns yellow when it comes in its hydrated forms. Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka are the major areas where this type of soil is found. The next one is laterite soil. This word laterite has been derived from the word Latin word later, which means brick, and it covers about 7.2% geographical area of India. It develops in the areas where moisture is there, heavy rainfall is there, and resulting in the withering of the rocks due to these agents, wind, rainfall, and strong moisture in the air. And laterite soil has high humus content in it. And then our next type of soil is desert soil. Desert soil is found in the areas of Rajasthan. And it approximately covers the 4% geographical area of India. In some areas, common salt is obtained from this type of soil due to evaporation of the water, and some type of major plants are there, like thorny plants are grown in this way. So the most important soil, that is alluvial. It is mostly found in India and wide spread soil of India. And second, that is red and yellow soil, that is 10.6%, and third point, that is laterite soil. On fourth point, it is desert soil, that is only 4%. In this way, you have to go through this map and identify the areas where different type of soils are found. This much for today's lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.